Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm so excited to share the recipe of a basic raita recipe, and it's so simple, guys. For the raita recipe I have taken 1.5 cup of yogurt. I have taken 2 tablespoons of onion chopped, and I have taken 2 tablespoons of tomato chopped. I have taken 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I have taken a quarter of red chili powder, and I have taken a quarter of cumin seeds and cumin seed powder. I'm going to add it all in this, and I'm going to mix it. I've added everything, and I'm going to give it a good mix. And this raita, this delicious raita is ready, and I'm going to be serving it in my biryani. It's so delicious, guys. Subscribe to my channel and give me your feedback.